Hi, how are you guys today? I just came back. I just finished my today's routine. Actually, these days I changed one of my routine for exercising because when I go to the gym, I usually do powerlifting for squat, deadlift, and bench press. But recently, I started to use the machine because I found myself using the machine is much more proper way to increase my weights for powerlifting. So I hope it works well. While I'm doing exercise, I met my friend who I met when I was in middle school. Actually, I usually do exercise with him, and he's really good at teaching and doing exercising, of course. So we did exercise together. After that, um, I found myself these days, my abilities for breathing, breathing. I mean the inhale, exhale ability is quite lower than when I used to be. So I did some cardio using the bicycle machine. And while I'm doing bicycle machine with my friends, it's quite good. And we talked a lot of things like for traveling or about these days news topics, even for the Netflix things. Oh, recently I subscribed for the Netflix because there are a lot of drama and movie series. So actually, you guys know I'm watching YouTube for practicing English, listening and speaking. But Netflix, they have a bunch of things. Uh, Even some Netflix series made in other countries which doesn't use English, even though they have dub version for English speaking. So I'm using that without subtitles. I try to watch. Recently, what I watched is Hellbound and Uprising. It is Korean movie drama, TV shows, and movie. I recommend you watch it. It's quite good for killing time. So it's pretty good. And now I'm gonna go to the today's random question. I'm gonna ask to ChatGPT right now. Mm, okay. There are a lot of questions, so I'm gonna choose. Mm, Number three. If animals could talk, which animal do you think would be the funniest to have a conversation with? If animals could talk, which animal do you think would be the funniest to have a conversation with? Maybe the dolphin, because dolphins, they're really intelligent. They they are swimming around under the sea, so they have a bunch of stories to tell us because we are human, even though we can swim and dive into the water for the ocean, but we can't wherever we go. But dolphins, they are living oceans creatures, so they have a lot of experience. So I heard that from the YouTube, they're quite enjoying playing and hanging out with their animals, so it'll be nice. So sometimes they do something for by hanging out their friends, like playing their own games. So I want to learn what they are doing under the ocean. It'll be amazing. So that's my today's answering for if animal could talk. So what about you guys? If animals could talk, which animal do you think would be the funniest to have a conversation with? I answered it's gonna be dolphins because they're quite intelligent, have a lot of game under the ocean, which I want to learn. So what about you guys? Please let me know down below. Then I want to hear about your mind and thinking. So let's see the next video. Then take care. Bye bye.